Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to introduce you with the new Facebook Messenger blocking feature, restricted mode. Sometimes we have family members in our friend list and our messenger list like we don't want to interact with, this feature is allow us to ignore them without notifying them that we blocked them or unfriend them. Person will not see our activity status or activities in the messenger app, and they still message us and we can see their message, but they won't notify that we have seen their message. So what you have to do is just go to messenger, then go to the desired person you want to restrict. For me this is the person. Click on the conversation. Now go to the I button here, click on this. Now scroll down, and after I scroll down, go in here you can see the restrict mode here. Click on this and the person is restricted. Now I am going to show you how to unrestricted him. Go to your profile icon, then go to privacy here. After going to privacy, here you can see all the restricted accounts in your list. Only this person is restricted. Click on this, and here you can see the unrestricted button. Click on this and this will be unrestricted. So guys, if this video help you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.